Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Pakistan starts talks with Turkmenistan for import of 200,000 tons of urea. Pakistan has commenced negotiations with Turkmenistan for the import of 200,000 tons urea under a government-to-government arrangement to meet the rising local demand, a senior official confirmed to the news on Thursday. This initiative is part of Pakistan's strategy to secure a stable supply of fertilizer essential for its agriculture sector, which heavily depends on urea. The discussions with Turkmenistan are intended to ensure a continuous flow of this critical input. A high-level delegation led by Federal Minister for Industries and Production, Rana Tanvir Hussein, will visit Turkmenistan from June 24th to 26th to explore new avenues for bilateral trade and investment. The official indicated that the signing of a G2G deal for urea import is anticipated during this visit. The delegation's visit follows a preparatory meeting between Hussein and Turkmenistan's ambassador to Pakistan, Atavatan Movlamov, where they discussed the upcoming trip and strategies to enhance economic ties between the two nations. Intensifying cooperation between Turkmenistan and the Czech Republic. On June 20, 2024, political consultations took place in Prague between the Ministries of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan and the Czech Republic. The Turkmen side was headed by the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, Ahmet Gurbanov, the Czech side by the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Czech Republic, Jiří Kozák. During the meeting, priority attention was paid to the topic of building up trade economic ties, including increasing and diversifying trade turnover and continuing cooperation in such areas as energy, transport infrastructure, agriculture, food and textile industries. On the same day, a meeting was held between Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, Ahmet Gurbanov, and Deputy President of the Chamber of Deputies of the Parliament of the Czech Republic, Jan Bartosek. The visit of the delegation of Turkmenistan to Hungary took place. On June 18, 2024, political consultations were held in Budapest between the Ministries of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan and Hungary. The Turkmen side was headed by the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, Ahmet Gurbanov, the Hungarian side, by the Deputy Secretary of State of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade of Hungary, Adam Stifter. On the same day, Gurbanov met with the Deputy Head of the Regional Office for Eastern Europe and Central Asia of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, Raymond Jaleh. The parties noted the productive cooperation of Turkmenistan with FAO and outlined promising areas of interaction in the field of synergy between food security and climate change issues. On June 19, 2024, a meeting was held between the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, Ahmet Gurbanov, and the Vice Speaker of the National Assembly of Hungary, Sandor Lesak. UNDP and Turkmenistan sign a Memorandum of Understanding to strengthen public education services. The United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, and the Ministry of Education of Turkmenistan today signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, to collaborate on strengthening the country's education system and promoting sustainable development practices. The MOU establishes a framework for collaboration between UNDP and the Ministry of Education to improve the efficiency in public education services delivery to the population of Turkmenistan. The agreement underscores a shared commitment to strengthening educational programs in Turkmenistan, with a particular focus on integrating principles of human rights and gender equality, supporting climate change initiatives, and encouraging healthy lifestyles through Turkmenistan's educational institutions. A key focus of this MOU is the integration of digital technologies and innovative solutions into Turkmenistan's education system. By leveraging advanced technologies, the partnership aims to create a more efficient and inclusive education framework that can better serve the needs of the population. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.